hear my story.
Iggy lived in a cold blue igloo. He found an ink pot. He dipped a feather in the ink. Iggy drew stars and circles on the snow.
Snow art is fun! That was so much fun! I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone! See you next time! Hello, everyone! I'm the letter J. Let's hear my story!
A happy green Jeep drove through the jungle. Inside the Jeep was a jug of juice.
Juice time!
All the animals shared the juice. They felt fresh and happy.
That was so much fun! I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone!